Hey fellow YouTubers, today I'm giving you a first-hand experience with the griddle review. I've been wanting to try out an electric griddle for some time now because I do a lot of batch size cooking for my family. So I went and bought this chef style brand, a 10 by 20 inch nonstick from my local HEB. It comes with a drip pan and a detachable temperature dial, which inserts into the pan and plugged into the wall. This is all one piece. The griddle pan itself is screwed into some black plastic stands that don't look like it can be detached without a screwdriver. I'm going to cook some grilled zucchini and squash to test it out today. Let's see how it turns out. I'm going to use some barbecue seasoning that I have because I just love the way it tastes. It can be used on pretty much any kind of meat or veggies that you want to season it with. I sprinkle it all over the pieces and add some extra virgin olive oil while the griddle is preheating, which I started out at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to start adding the veggies face down to start cooking. Now with my first run, I'm going to be cooking with the electric griddle over my stove. I don't know how hot it gets underneath, and I don't want to risk ruining my granite tops if it burns them or whatnot. This is just for safety and for the sake of my counters. After about 20 minutes, I'm going to turn them over. They're looking nice and charred, and it smells amazing. I wish you could smell it right now. Yum. The squash seems to cook a little faster than the zucchini, so I'm going to take those off and let the zucchini cook a little longer. My preference is to have the veggies at a softer texture. The amount of cooking time, it's going to vary with your cooking temperature and your texture preference. Yum! They look delicious. I am ready to try these veggies out. This is a good way to add veggies into your diet. I'm an amateur cooker and an average person. If I can do this, so can you guys. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.